much money I saved. Isn't it just crazy? It's crazy. I can't believe how much I saved. If you want to see everything, stay tuned. Hi everyone, and welcome to October Couponing Month in Review. I know not many of you actually enjoy these videos, but to be honest, it's kind of my favorite one. So one of my favorites to do is just to sit back, reflect, see what I spent and what I saved, and just to kind of evaluate all that. And this was one of the best months I've had in a long time. I had a goal to spend under $5. That didn't happen, but when I see everything I got this month, I truly can't complain at all. One of the best months I've had during the whole year, and we'll get to those stats in the end, as well as talk about my November couponing goals, what I want to do in November. So let's just dive right in. All right, so first haul, we got all this awesomeness on the Starbucks. That was one of the best deals throughout the whole month. The Starbucks was free at Kroger, or really, really cheap at Kroger, so I loaded up on those. That soft soap body wash, I don't know where. Oh, that was at Family Dollar. That was like $1, I remember now. That's all a blur. This has been a long month of deals. I got the Febreze Small Spaces. That was a good deal. And I got the Frosted Flakes. Oh, the Tasty Shake things. That was good. Lots of good stuff here. So all that was $1.56 moneymaker. $1.56 moneymaker for all that. You can't complain with that. That's a great deal. All right, so here was another haul. $1.37 for all this. That's a lot of stuff. The Kellogg's, I remember that at Kroger. That was good. The Nissan noodles. More Starbucks. I really hit up the Starbucks deal. Just lots of stuff. Those Bush's beans have been free like all month long. Oh, the Ocean's Halo broth. That was good. 75 cents with $1 from Checkout 51. Lots of really great stuff in this haul. And the Viva, I always love paper towel deals. Here's some more deals. This is a 28-cent moneymaker. Wow. And that included a thing of Viva. The gold bonds. I really enjoyed that deal on those. The Downy, all that stuff. Retail for this was $93.87, and I made 28 cents. That was great. Oh, and the one a day. I really liked that one because they were on clearance at Kroger, and after the rebate, they were like 12 cents, which was awesome. All right. I loved this. This was from the Dollar General clearance event. I never do Dollar General, but this month, when I saw that clearance event, I hit it hard. I got so much. So in this little corner right there, the Gain and the Gillette and all that, and the Febreze, that was all DG. Over there was Kroger, the free Kashi cereal. That was a good one. The Dial soap. For my grandma, that's a good one. She loves bar soap, so that's going to go in her Christmas basket. That random soy sauce stuff was free, and all the Axe, that was awesome. That Downy, and this is where the trial size Dove deal started out. Oh, and the Fit Aid and the Immunity Aid, I got those coupons from Renee. That was awesome. So that was a net price of $1.16, and this one crushed my soul a little bit. Retail was $120.36, and I spent $7.68 on it. I felt like a fail. I really did. However, when I sit back now and see what I got all the Herbal Essence, the Viva Pop-Ups, the Gain, the Bounce, and the Band deodorant, which my grandma loves roll-on deodorants. That's going in her Christmas basket. $7.68 for all that really isn't too bad. And as you'll see in a little bit, we didn't even pay that much hardly for this stuff, for everything. So I can live with that. But that Dollar General clearance sale was so much fun. This is all on a Saturday. I went around to like 4 different Dollar Generals and just hit it up hard. Then I went to another Dollar General. This is the next haul. I went to another Dollar General, got that Biotine for 20 cents, and those scrubby things, sponges, and the cough drops. More trial size stuff from Walmart. The Glad trash bags from Rite Aid. That was the first week I got back into Rite Aid, really. Was those Glad trash bags. That was a really great price. They wound up being like 50 cents a piece. The Schick shaving cream. I had a free product coupon that somebody gave me. And yeah, awesome. A lot of stuff this month. All right, here was a $2.25 moneymaker haul. I got the wet naps on clearance at Kroger. I got the pop chips. I love that deal. I wish I still have the rebate to get another one for free, and I can't find it. My Walmart's been out for like weeks. Bush's Beans again, the Kleenex and that deal was going. The L'Oreal makeup was on a huge clearance, and I made money on that. Looks like I got some Dial body wash back there. Really great month. Really great. And some more cereal for free. It's awesome. All right, so here was a Rite Aid haul. Really small. Retail was $24.44. Okay, here's important distinguish between out of pocket and net. Out of pocket is what I literally spent out of my physical pocket, minus any cash back rebates like Ibotta. This doesn't include Rite Aid store credit because that's not cash in my physical pocket. So I had a $50 Rite Aid gift card that we got for free from a credit card reward thing. My parents got, and they're like, do you want this Rite Aid gift card? And I was like, of course. So I've been using that to help pay down deals. And so this was all $4.84. Those Clorox wipes were $2. But out of my pocket, I literally paid nothing because I got back, I just used the gift card. So if I didn't deduct back the rewards I got back, because you can't double dips. So you'll notice that there's actually the rest of these hauls typically will have a different, they'll actually all have different totals like that. So net price was a lot more here with $9.58. However, my out-of-pocket gain or loss is only $5.79. I went down in store rewards, but I spent less out of pocket. You'll notice that as a trend. So I got the Lysol at Rite Aid. That was awesome. I love that. The paper goods from CVS with my Care Pass, and Care Pass is included in the total. The $5 I spent for Care Pass. So keep that in mind. Yeah. Just the Excedrin deal, the Suave. These are recent hauls. The Minigrina and that kind of stuff all the time. The Fordo is a good deal. Okay, here was the haul. Retail was $86.98. Out of pocket, I only paid 21 cents. Net price is actually $2.81. Or negative $2.81 because of rewards money. Because I got a beauty buck on those Niveas. Keep that in mind. That's how it works. So it really will even itself out pretty much. But I count them both. I like to do the math for both. What did I lose out of pocket on all this? And what did I gain like in rewards on all this? That kind of thing. The net price. I loaded up on paper goods this month. Loaded up on paper goods. And I have such a good stockpile going of paper towels again. I'm really excited about that because I didn't for a little while. And now it's like coming back. And I'm so pumped about that. So this is a great haul with Ibotta and Shopkick. Here's my last haul. I got back into CVS a little bit, which was insane. With the Savings Star rebates, it was a net cost of a $9.37 moneymaker, which was insane for all that stuff. Like, whoa. But out of pocket, it was really only a $3.11 moneymaker. And that was mainly because of that Innovation coupon. If you haven't heard my haul, go watch that. It deducted off max value in my store. I told her it took off too much, and she was like, no, it's fine. So that kind of like worked out really good in my favor. So that was a great haul. Regardless, it was awesome. I do want to give you guys an update about Savings Star. They did not end up giving me credit for any of the Crest items or the Oral-B floss. So I'm just going to shoot them an email and tell them, hey, these things should have qualified, and they'll fix it. Because they have really great customer service at Savings Star. So I know they'll fix it. All right, so if one of you want to see the breakdown, if any of you want to see how the breakdown worked this month, here it all is. Master breakdown. Showing my savings and all that fun stuff. But now the moment of truth. We are going to talk about what we spent. So retail was $1,096.86. Cash-wise, I only lost $8.96 on all this. And net was $9.73. Which, oh my gosh, that's awesome. I didn't get it under $5 like I wanted. But for all that Starbucks, all the paper goods, I really can handle $8.96. So what's the goal for November? I want to do just basically what I did this month. Let's keep it at $10. With Black Friday and all that though, don't know if it's going to happen. We're going to try. And then, I want to master CVS and just figure out how to get my transactions and rotate them cheaper so I'm not spending as much out of pocket. I am going to be doing a gift card deal there. Like if you buy a certain gift card next week, they'll give you $10 back. So I'm going to do that. And then I'll have more ECB money to play with. So yeah, I definitely think there's good potential with CVS. I feel like I can do it again. It's just, I don't know. CVS is kind of like a love-hate relationship for me, but I'm back into it right now because I want to learn the ropes. And I know Black Friday is coming, and I always like to do CVS. I've done it every single year I've couponed, and it just is a fun thing for me to do. I look forward to it every year. So, yeah, that is all for October goals. The Kroger weekend sale will be up soon. Keep that in mind. I don't know if it'll be up before this one or not. I think I'm going to put this one up first because it's actually done. But the weekend sale, I'm going to film it like right after I finish with this. So, yeah, that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.